Alright guys, this is literally the moment that I've been waiting for. I think we've all been waiting for. I finally got my 2019 S reverse proof or enhanced reverse proof back from PCGS, and today we're gonna unbox it and see if we have one of those very lucky seals or a perfect grade. Either way, I'm really excited. So let's get right into it. Let's see. I haven't opened it yet. Alright. Looks like we have some forms in here. It was a little bit of a hassle to get it open. These are just extra submission forms. Let's see. Alright, we have a little container here. Let's see. I can get this open with one hand. Let's see. Tape's a little bit of wonky. One strand of tape. Should be good enough. Alright, let's see. American Eagle. This is the certificate. So we didn't get the one of the lucky ones, but still nice to have that. Alright. Let's see. It has a really, really nice seal right there. Like that. I can open this. It's kind of hard doing it one-handed. Really nice container or whatever it's called. And now, let's see. I have it right here. I haven't looked at it yet. Let's see together. 69. Look how good it is, though. Hey, but I'll take it. I don't know if it's because it's cold, but there's like mist on it, or condensation, I'd say. That's crazy. My first ever grading. Alright. That's crazy. I'm still ecstatic. I don't know. It's my first time ever grading something. But hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you for watching. Bye.